Nasdaq 100 traded sideways with a modest bullish bias for the week, and it has closed the week at 16,000 levels here. Yes, we have seen it going close to 16,180, 200 zone, and on the downside, it has got its support intact at 15,800. So this is the zone where one has to be watchful. Now, what to expect from Nasdaq 100 in the month of December and in the coming week? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release twice a day update on Nasdaq 100. Do not miss the daily updates. Let's start. First, we'll look into the monthly charts and then we will move towards the minor time frames. Before I and towards the end, I give you the trading levels and strategy for the month and for the week. Do watch till the end. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the monthly charts. See, we have seen prices divergent here. It is converged towards the 50 period. Then the divergence here, it is converged towards the 20 period. Now again looking upwards. Second observation here is, see, after three retracement candle, we have seen an extremely bullish candle. Yes, it has taken the support from close to 20 period moving average. It has also left a little wick on the upside, which suggests that US 100 in the month of December may stay bullish. We can expect it to in fact move towards the all-time high levels and in fact break it past the all-time high levels. First, it has to stay beyond 16,200 300 zone. It has to stay beyond this zone in order to confirm a breakout, and beyond this we will look forward to 16,600 and then 17,000 levels are on the cards. Yes, even if you count half the size of this candle, 14,500 to 16,000 levels, 1,500 points, and even if you count the half the size, you will find 16,700, 800 should be achieved here, and in fact it can move towards 17,000 as well. First thing is, yes, it is still showing the bullishness there. Now, and also one must note, see, this is the steep channel which it is creating, where higher highs and higher lows are seen. It has hit a bottom and trying to rise. Now the highs here are certainly above 17,000 levels. Now monthly stochastic, which has seen a drop, is now rising, while the MACD, I have discussed this several times in my previous updates, that Nasdaq 100 has always crossed over here at the bottom on MACD and it is rising and it shows a rise. Similar phenomena is observed. Thus, it appears Tech 100 might stay bullish for a while from the current levels. RSI has also, it is comfortable as of now, but it can scale back on the upside. Now, on the monthly charts, moving averages are trading with divergence and are looking upwards, suggestive that possibly Tech 100 may lead to another bullish month here. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly charts, see, here was the divergence. Prices converged towards the 20 and 50 period moving average. Now again starting to diverge more. The more it diverges, the chance of convergence increases, but then the moving average will also climb up and then 15,500, 600 becomes the base. That is the first observation. Second observation here is, see, body size consistently diminishing here, which is a indication that the bullishness is getting diminished and it has got a pressure from the upside. Now it has come to a reversal and thus at any point of time in the coming week and the month, if you see Tech 100 staying below 15,800, 780 zone, we can expect that this is the reversal and the prices might converge more towards 15,500 and then 15,200 levels, which is the 20 period moving average. Now what we have seen here, rise, retracement, and then it can continue to trade in this. But right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. And see, for the coming week specifically, once you see the price is staying beyond 16,050 levels, you can expect 16,200, and once 16,200 is taken, consider that as a bullish breakout. Weekly stochastic, monthly stochastic, we have seen that it's monthly stochastic still had the scope, while weekly stochastic has come to overbought levels again. Now what has happened here, the last time it is entered into overbought zone and it stayed elevated, it stayed overbought for a while. Same thing can be seen, but yes, this is certainly overbought and the fall should be nearby. But look at MACD. On the weekly chart, see, after the sharp rise here, it is retest. It was trading with divergence in bearishness. It is now looking upwards. Now again, I am saying whatever the highs it sees in the next few couple of weeks or for the month of December might remain the highs for Tech 100, and from there a sharper fall can be expected. Thus, whatever highs Tech 100 achieves in this month may remain the highs, and from there the bearish move can be expected. Right now it is crossing on the upside. It can continue to diverge more for next few weeks, which may pull the prices up, and then also it can achieve the highs, all-time high levels, before reversing. RSI rising, which is also a good sign for the bulls. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, last time I have mentioned, see, this was the retracement channel bullish flag formation, and it is breaking out. It can continue to stay bullish. What has happened here, with the same base it has stayed bullish, but if you notice the movement here, see, first of all, divergence in the moving averages. This is certainly a bullish sign. Price is taking the support from close to 20 period moving average. That is another bullish sign. Now what has happened, the last trading session you will find lower highs and a flat bottom. Thus I will wait for a breakout above 16,050, 16,060 levels. If it stays above this on the daily charts, I will look forward to 16,200 as the first resistance zone. See, it is trading with higher lows and higher highs in this bullish flag formation on the daily charts. Thus, if you see Tech 100 is staying above 16,200, 240, you can say that the next target is going to be 16,500 and 16,700 zone. Yes, it can rush towards those levels in a very quick succession. But at the same time, one must not forget there is a reversal sign, lower highs, flat bottom. So once it breaks below 15,800, 750 zone, just stay short and you are going to look forward towards 15,500 as the first target, and then below that a major crash can be expected. Now too much of divergence of the moving averages calls for it to converge, but right now Nasdaq 100 is not showing any signs of convergence here. Now, daily stochastic has dropped drastically. Also look at the vertical rise, the gradual retracement, and if it crosses over on the upside, more bullishness may prevail. But look at the MACD on the daily charts. It has achieved the highs here and it has crossed over here, trading with divergence. Thus, it is suggestive that Nasdaq 100 has little room for it for further upside, and possibly from the current levels, we can see it trading with the bearish bias for a near term. Yes, near term, you can find out whenever Tech 100 sees such highs, it always tries to reverse. It always follows with a bigger drop. Thus, at current level 16,200, 250, we have to be extremely watchful and cautious. Also, it has crossed over. Thus, we expect that possibly little bearish move can be seen. However, the bearishness is only confirmed if Tech 100 is seen trading below 15,750 and 800 zone. RSI was overbought. It is trying to come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour. Now, this is important on the 4-hour chart. Symmetrical formation here, taking the support from 15,900, 15,800 zone. Lower highs are seen. Thus, we need to see what has happened. If it is treated as symmetrical, it is formed here. Then there was a bearish move, so it can rise again. There is a probability that it can give symmetrical formation here. But I expect, see, it is slightly overbought. Only bullishness is confirmed if Tech 100 is seen trading above 16,030, 16,060 zone. If you see Tech 100 above 16,030, 16,060 zone, we can expect it to move towards 16,200, and in fact, it can rise to the further highs. Now, see, stochastic is rising. MACD has seen a very, very bearish move. It is now on the verge of a crossover. This is also suggestive that possibly from here, Tech 100 may show a rise on the upside, which suggests 16,200 if it breaks. Certainly, we should not be selling Tech 100. It is going to achieve further highs. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for the coming week and for the month of December. Before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my webinar series, which we have announced. Every Sunday, we conduct a webinar where we discuss what to expect from markets in the coming week. Also, we take a holistic view and I take up your live questions and answers. You can find the details on the mentorship batch and the webinar series on my platform forexfunda.com. And here in the front page itself, you will find the details of the batch, you will find the details of the webinar. Also, you get the breaking news and top stories from worldwide. And most importantly, it also has the economic calendar where you can find the data related to any releases across the world. You can also find for your favorite instrument and do the charting, do the analysis. You can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And the most important part is the availability of the communities there, where you can initiate a discussion, take the participate in the discussion, and engage from the like-minded traders and take an informed decision. So do visit the platform Forex Fund, and you can be part of my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Now, coming week, I will recommend you to first let's talk about buys, and this is also applicable for the month of December as well. 16,030, I will recommend you to buy. 16,060 is the first resistance, and this is the zone where we have to be cautious. Beyond 16,060, we are looking forward to 16,140 and then 16,200. Yes, 16,200, if it breaks past by, you can expect we are looking forward to a major rise which can take it till towards 16,350. In fact, 16,240. So let me write it down as zone 16,200, 240. And once it breaks past by this zone 16,350, 16,500, and then 16,740 levels will be seen in the month of December. This is not only for this week, but in the month of December. As long as 15,800 is not taken, 15,750 is not taken, we can expect the bulls to continue. We can expect the bulls to prevail. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,960 levels. Below 15,960, you can sell. But we all know that there are greater supports here at 15,900 and 880 zone. This is something you should watch out for. Below this, you can again expect 15,840, 15,800, and then 15,740. Now, once it breaks below this zone, you can say that now markets have reversed and we are going to look forward to a major drop which will take the prices towards 15,500, 15,350, and 15,200 levels. Yes, below that a crash can be seen. The signs are not supportive of the bears as of now. The signs are still bullish, but it appears we have seen good enough rise on the weekly charts. A breakout is what one should wait for, and any breakout beyond 16,200, we can say that the prices have turned bullish and it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside specifically, be cautious of this zone, and beyond this, you can say it is ready to fly. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my free Telegram channel or webinar series. Reach out to me for any of my services related queries, and yes, for any of consultation related to markets and the guidance, you can ping me on, or you can book a call with me on my platform forexfunda.com. See you again with the daily updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.